Start by clicking your profile avatar to access account options. Select Investors from the drop-down to manage investor-related information. See all options here. We'll go step by step so there's no confusion. First, choose the branch where you want to set up a new comp plan. You can create multiple branches and assign different comp plans to each one. By default, you'll see one branch. If you want to add more, you can easily create additional branches as needed. To add more branches, just tap your profile icon. Next, select Company from the drop-down. Then switch to the Branches tab. Click New Branch to add another branch. Start typing a branch name to begin the setup process. Once you've added the basic info like name and address, hit Save. You'll then see some new options appear. You can add state information here. Just select the state, enter the license number, and click the plus icon. In customization, you can add your logo, disclaimer, and color theme. The logo and disclaimer will appear on PDFs generated in the system, and the color theme will show on your marketing flyers. You can always edit these settings in the future and make changes as needed. Now let's move forward and see how to add your compensation plan. Click the branch drop-down to easily switch between branches and manage branch-specific compensation plans. Use the category drop-down to filter compensation and fees by loan type. Here you can add your comp plan in BPS. For this example, I'll enter 2.75. Next, add the origination. Then enter the minimum and maximum amounts. Next, add the lender fee, admin fee, and processing fee. Also add the EPO days, early payoff. This switch lets you activate or deactivate the pricing for these companies in the PPE. Click Apply All to instantly update all listed companies with your current settings. If you want to change a company's comp individually, you can do so by editing them one by one. Use the relationship field to specify whether this lender is a broker partner or a direct partner. Click the document icon to save important documents related to that lender, like a broker agreement. You can save up to 3 documents here. Exit the document details pop-up to return to your main workflow. You can see the checkboxes here. Mark a company as preferred in the PPE. When this lender's pricing appears, it will show a preferred tag. Check the Hide Rate Sheet box to hide the rate sheet in PPE, preventing anyone from downloading it. Check the Hide AE box to hide the AE information in PPE. Mark a company as approved if they are your approved partners. In PPE, their pricing will display with an approved tag. Click Save to securely store all your updates in just one step. That's it. Now you know how to add your comp plan. One important thing to remember, you need to set it separately for each category. For example, if you've set it for conventional but not for government or portfolio, PPE will only show the comp plan for conventional when someone runs a scenario. Make sure to set your comp plan in all categories first.